Hey guys, Brian from Lantor here. Was out cruising in Deb's car and picked up a hex head roofing screw on the way. Bit of a pisser, but nevertheless, and I was just going to fix it up, and I thought, man, just do a quick video. Even if one of you guys don't know how to do this, I'm sure a lot of you do, but if even one guy comes along and sees you do this and can save money on a repair, hey, happy days. Alright, what we have is we have a repair kit that has these ropes in it that you'll put in the tyre through these tools here, and rubber cement and a reaming tool to roughen up the hole, and man, that is, oh, and air. So that is basically it. Let's get the screw out. You can hear it going down already. Ah, bastard. Yeah, it wasn't a roofing screw. I thought it was, but it wasn't. It was just a bolt. Okay, so now we get a reaming tool and we put it in the hole. There's the hole right there, and we basically just rough it up with that. Okay, next we grab one of these rubber wicks out of our packs here, and we simply thread it through the holes. It's a bit tacky, but the whole idea of the game is to patch the hole, so it has to be tacky. Now don't be shy with the glue. The more glue on it, the better. Just apply it to the wick. Apply it to the hole. Don't be scabby. Alright. Now we simply push it into the hole. You don't want to push it right through. And now we've pushed it into that hole, and it's in there nice and tight. You can see the two ends, it's burred in there. Now all we simply do is we pull that out really quickly, okay? Just like that, simple as that. It cuts it, and then it's left the wick in there with all the glue, with all the rubber cement, and that is hopefully going to do it with just one. Again, I know the bulk of you guys have probably done this, but if there's one who hasn't, giddy up. Alright, pump him up. Now we're looking for about 33 in this. Compressor might start up in a moment. Okay, that's at 33. Now what we're going to do is we're going to have a look at him here, and my goodness, that's looking excellent. Hopefully just get some light in on there, and we can see that there is no air bubbles coming out through there. It is looking great. Now look, you can trim those off, those tags off if you want. You can leave them if you want. I'll trim them off. Use pair of pliers. No. Alright, we'll just give them a trim. Beauty. Alright. I'm not kidding you guys. You probably just saved yourself 45 bucks or something at a tyre joint to get a tyre repair done. And you've done it yourself, and the best thing is you can have done it out on the road, you can have done it in the tracks, If you get a stake through the side, you can put multiple of them in. You can put like 3 or 4 in to plug the hole, but that's only to get you around when you're out in the bush. The moment you hit sealed roads, it's illegal to have sides plugged. There, it's okay. Bikes, no way, got 1100R. You can't repair that. They're speed rated, you just can't do it. Through the side, great out in the bush, but the moment you hit the road, game over. You've got to change it and get rid of your tyre. But good thing is it's got you out of trouble. It's got you back to where you should get help, and you've done it yourself. Anyway, I can do this. Give it a go. Too easy.